Hello guys, how are you all? This video is all about my ultimate experiences with this awesome product which helped me resolve my very old problems. I was looking out for some sort of ethical method which would help me to resolve this problem. I had put on a lot of weight and my whole sleeping schedule was also disturbed. But I did not have a single person to guide me or help me to work out on this concern. But not too late, I discovered this awesome supplement which healed all my troubles like magic. It was one of the best choices I ever made throughout my life. Yes, I'm talking about the truly magical supplement Resurge, which we will discuss about more briefly in the video. I've put up the official link to their website from where I purchased mine at a very good discount, just in case you also want to get one for yourself. My condition for a few years back was not at all the way it is now. I used to look so unhealthy and overweight at that time. Nobody in my professional circle would ever talk to me properly, and all this was just because of that one big belly. You know, the people tend to ignore their health very often, and similarly in my case, I never bothered to look out for my health. Slowly and gradually this became a very serious issue and my body started becoming weaker and completely out of shape. This time I decided to go on with some sort of supplements rather than trying diet charts or gyms. I went onto the internet and after a research of almost a week, I found this awesome product Resurge, which completely changed my life. I ordered it from their official website and started taking it on a regular basis for the next few months. And to my surprise, soon after trying it for a few weeks itself, it started giving me tremendous results, which I never expected. I lost so much excess fat within that short span of time. So for your reference, I'll display my photos clicked before discovering Resurge along with the photos taken after Resurge for about 6 months of the usage. On the screen you can see the changes clearly that it has brought to my body in the past few months. Talking about Resurge, it has a lot of abilities and potential to cater to your health in a positive way. Many people over the past few years have believed and used Resurge, which has even given them some very realistic results. To be very frank with you all, I was also a bit hesitant before ordering Resurge since I never tried any kind of supplement before. But trust me guys, it came out to be a very good decision of my life. Obviously, it is not a piece of cake to lose weight with Resurge. You'll have to be disciplined to get the optimal results. You can't be irregular or ignorant after you have started taking this supplement. Neither I'll recommend you to ever skip it for even a single day. Resurge is made up of all natural and herbal ingredients which are grown and stored at top quality facilities. All the ingredients used in it are 100% vegetarian and organic. The ingredients are even free from any type of stimulants or toxins and are non-GMO. It contains magnesium, zinc, L-arginine, ashwagandha, melatonin and more, which are combined together in a balanced ratio with a secret formula created by the experts. All these ingredients have their own task to complete, ranging from detoxification to stress busting. All of them work on the root cause of your troubles so that they may be eliminated from the body completely. The ingredients tend to fulfill the needs of the various nutrients by the body. This fulfillment stops the craving of the body for minerals, vitamins and amino acids and makes it focus completely on the body's growth. The research capsules work in a very systematic procedure. They are designed to rectify the serious problems in a step-by-step manner, starting from the very basic things. The ingredients present in the capsules purifies the internal body system by forcing out the waste and junk present inside the body. This junk is only the main reason which resists proper digestion and leads to fat contribution and accumulation in the stomach. As the toxins and the other waste products get flushed out of the body, the metabolism gets triggered and you start feeling more fresh and active. After this, your body is infused with some good bacteria and other essential nutrients, which advances the breaking down of food so that it can be digested properly. The research capsules also work on the other issues by targeting the human growth hormone. The human growth hormone is something capable of providing uninterrupted sleep to an individual. Sound sleep is a very vital prospect to build a healthy body. As long as we are not providing our body and mind the complete rest, they will not synchronize properly and ineffective results may appear. I realized that getting a night of good sleep is a very important thing and will also recommend you all that never try to ignore this. It's because the human growth hormone is responsible for the rebuilding and healing of the body parts. And after a certain age, the production of human growth hormone declines in the body. That is why it is very important to somehow initiate the generation of this hormone. Research comes with numerous benefits which one can't even imagine. Whenever we take any kind of supplement or medicine, it generally has a very specific approach. But in the case of research, it works in a very broader way. It develops the overall metabolism of the person rather than just focusing on a particular disorder. This is something worth appreciating because just because of this, our body never becomes habitual to the supplement. And a self-healing tendency generates over a period of time. Besides, this also improves the sleeping cycles and promoted sound sleep without falling drowsy. The supplement even enhances your skin texture and gives you a glowy skin. Moreover, it has all those substances which help in triggering stress and are capable of giving you relief from any kind of body pain. Furthermore, talking about the weight loss mechanism, the best part about this supplement is that rather than only focusing on the weight loss, it also concentrates on eliminating weight gaining reasons. It tries to regulate our appetite, which will resist us from munching every other time. Research has all those abilities which would help anybody achieve a fit body and ultimately a good lifestyle. I've also attached the link of their official website where I got research from a discounted price just in case you want to order one for yourself. To be very honest with you all, I would definitely recommend this supplement to all of you. As you may be looking for an effective solution for this problem, it is the best thing which you can consider trying. Moreover, it comes at a very decent price on their official website, that too along with some offers going on right now. Frankly speaking guys, I have never seen such a great product with this all-rounder approach and 100% effective results. Just try it out guys and don't forget to share your stories as well. So thanks a lot for watching the video and have a good day.